This expensive crack casting has a lead time measured in years, but using the cold repair technique, locking and lacing, we were able to fix it in a day. The 8-foot flange is actually a new casting, but given the lead time, repair is the only practical option. Welding cast iron can be problematic. Done properly, it needs a full preheat and slow cool down to relieve stress. On a part this size, that's difficult, expensive, and it still carries the risk of distortion and further cracking. So for cracked cast iron, we use a cold repair technique called metal stitching or locking and lacing. First, we identify the full extent of the cracks. Sometimes that's visible, but we also use magnetic particle and dye penetrant testing. From there, we plan the repair and select the appropriate locks based on the material thickness and loading. These are high tensile strength components that bridge the crack and anchor into solid material on both sides. We drill a series of holes, remove the material between them, and then install the locks. On heavier sections, the locks could go multiple layers deep. Once installed, the locks are swedged into place to create a tight mechanical bond. Then we lace the crack by drilling and tapping along its length, installing threaded pins that are broken off below the surface. This adds compression and seals the repair. Here's the finished result. Normally we grind this flush, but since the surface will be machined, we've left it as is. Done properly, this method restores roughly 80% or more of the original strength without the risks that come from welding. It's a proven process and in our view the right way to repair cracked cast iron. Thanks for watching.